Hi there, welcome to the channel again. So I bought a new car and the bumper was all scratched up. So I did some ringing around and I found Car Wizard to be really good. All you had to do is take a photograph of the damage and text or email it to them, and then they can give you a quote and then come out and park on your driveway and plug in and repair the car. So this is a quick video I've made of the work he did and the finish. To be honest, I was really impressed. The heaters, curing it off because it was pretty cold. Yeah, fantastic. I hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. As well as that, I've dropped all of Car Wizard's details in the description, so if you check that out, you'll be able to get them booked in, text him, get yourself a quote, and well, hopefully get your car fixed. Enjoy the video. Cheers. As you can see, it's a pretty good job. Nice and shiny, cured, ready to go. No time to wait because it's used all those infrared heaters. Nice and shiny. Just the rest of the car now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And don't forget to check the description for the contact details of Car Wizard. Thank you. Bye.